Morning. So myself Kumaravil from Mechanical Engineering Department. Currently, I am working in the Sanmukha College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic of industrial safety engineering. So, what are all the safety aspects to be followed in the industry? Now move on to the topic. So first thing, so what is the industrial safety? First thing, uh, before going to the topic industrial safety, first of all, what is meant by safety? So safety is the state of being safe, the condition of being protected against the physical, social, and spiritual, financial, and other type of consequence of failure, damage, so error, and then accident, and the harmful hazards or any other events which could be considered are non-desirable. Okay. So after that, so what is meant by industrial safety? So industrial safety is uh, safety inside the industry, in general safety inside the industry. So it is primarily a management activity which is concerned with the three main things. So first one is reducing, so after that controlling, then final one is that is eliminating the hazards from the industrial places or industrial units. So what is the main significance of industrial safety? So the industrial causes a great loss between the industry for the both industry and then employee. So what is the main importance? First thing, the cost of compensation is the main significance. So after that, the cost of medical aid. Next thing, uh, so after the accident occur, so the industry followed the industry the industry recruit the new worker. So at the time the training offered by the industry to a new worker. So after that, the cost of the lost of time. So after the cost of investigation. So what is the main cause for failure? To investigate the failure, and then cost of supervisions and inspections. So after that, the cost to the government in terms of factory inspectors and then public health service for investigating the how the failure will occur in that particular industrial places. So what are the main objectives of industrial safety engineering? To prevent the accident. So this is the main object. This is what so objectives of the industrial safety engineering. First one, to prevent the accidents in the plant by reducing the hazard to minimum or otherwise eliminate. Right. So after that, to eliminate the accident caused work stoppage and the lost productions. So after that, the third one is to achieve the lower workman's compensation and then the insurance rates, uh, and then to reduce the all other so direct and indirect cost of accidents. So after that, final one, the to loss of life, permanent disability, and the loss of income of worker by eliminating the causes of accident. So these are the main objective of industrial safety engineering courses. So after that, so what is the force of safety? First one, the engineering. Second one is the educations. So after the third one is the enlistment. So the final one is that is the encouragement. The first one, the engineering, uh, it refers to safety at the design during the equipment installation stages. Okay. So after the educations, so to educate the employees for the particular uh, working method of the machine or otherwise units, right? To educate the employees, right? So after the enlistment, so it concerns the attitude of employee and the management to the programmed and the purpose. So this necessary arose the interest of employees in an accident prevention and then safety consequences. So last one is the encouragement to enforce the to follow the safety rules and then practices. So these are the safety four E's of safety engineering. So after that, so what is meant by safety? What is the connection between in this slide? So what is the connection between the safety and the productivity? The safety and then quality. After that, the productivity. These are closely interlinked, right? So after that, particular organizations the put care into the maintaining the safety and then quality and then productivity. They are also better able to serve their customers and product their employees. So the first thing that is the safety. So what are all? So these are the points to be discussed. First one, that is if a safety. So improve the qualities and then productivities. So after that, so when the operation is unsafe means they are not well managed. Okay. After that, the employees will not be motivated nor mindful, or the employee shown envy for greater. So after that, the quality and productivity both are suffer when the employees are under stress or unsatisfied. These are the main criteria or main factors to uncomfort the employee, right? So after that is the main quality. The quality it improves safety and productivity. If a product is a if the product is a quality means it also improve their particular machine safety and also increase the productivity, right? So safety is the measure of consciousness and proactiveness. So the high quality work means the better results and better products. Okay. So after that, next thing that is the productivity. So it improves the safety and then quality, right? So these are the points to be discussed. The carelessness is often so are the bed safety issues. So with the appropriate safety processes, safety can be improved and then quality can be improved as well. So first of all, so what is meant by accident? So an accident is an unplanned or uncontrolled event which causes an employee or particular machine, right? So which causes or is likely caused to an injury. Maybe it will it is an unplanned or uncontrolled act. Maybe the causes due to carelessness, right? The next thing. So what is meant by that is the industrial. The previous one is that is the what is meant by the definition of accident. So next one is that the what is an industrial accident. The accidents occur inside the industry or the particular department or particular unit. It is called as a industrial accidents. So in other words, it can be defined as an accident or occupational accident is an event of accident that suddenly occurs when one or more employees or workers placed in a plant. So this is the definition of industrial accident. Uh, for a for instance, so in an organization, say a person or labor, so while working, so receiving an electric current, so labor so cut the finger from the machines. So the blast in the chemical industry because of various reasons. So the fired in a textile sections. These are all the examples of industrial accidents. Okay. So the next thing is so what are the unsafe acts and unsafe conditions in a particular industry, right? So So in this picture shows that is what are the different unsafe acts and then unsafe conditions inside the industry. So why do the accident happen? So a lot of reasons there. So the accidents happen because of one or both the following reasons. So first one thing that is the unsafe acts. Second thing that is the unsafe conditions. So what is meant by that is the unsafe act? So it is any activity or task that is conducted in a manner which increase the probability an accident. So after that is what is the unsafe conditions? It's unsafe conditions. So this is a condition of workplace. The unsafe condition in the workplace, that is the unsafe conditions. So these are the examples of unsafe acts inside the industry. So the horseplay are running inside the industry, and then influence of drugs or alcohol during that working time of working time inside the industry, and not the following procedures, uh, taking shortcuts. So then operating equipment and then tools without an authority. So after that, using a damaged or defective equipment. These are the main uh, unsafe act inside the industry. So after that, you're not using the personal productive equipment. That is a in short term, that is a PPF. So the operating equipment in the improper speeds. So every machine have a speed limit. So beyond that, the accident will occur. So after that, the taking and improper working positions. So after servicing the equipment in motion, right? So these are the unsafe examples of unsafe act. These are the another examples of unsafe acts. So removing safety devices during the working time, dressing improperly, and welding with the no shield. So these are the another examples of unsafe acts. So next thing, what is the unsafe conditions? So these are the examples of unsafe conditions. So conditions means that is that factor affecting the machine's working condition or otherwise changing the mode of that is a worker. So first thing, that is the damaged or defective tools or equipment. So poor lighting inside the industry during the working hours. So after that, poor or improper ventilation, uh, missing the machine guards. So inadequate machine guards. So unsafe atmosphere. So after the slippery floors inside the industry, lack of proper equipment knowledge. These are although comes under unsafe conditions. So after that, congestion of working area, right? So these are the another examples of unsafe conditions. So wet floor, poor housekeeping, more noise during working. So after the inadequate warning system, that is if any failure occur, uh, the warning system will not working properly. That is inadequate warning systems. So after that, the sharp edges of machines. So inadequate work cloths. So broken ladders and then loose electrical wirings. So these are the unsafe conditions inside the industry. So after that, the classification of accidents or the categories of accident both are same. So these are the four categories. One of the minor accident. So after that, the reportable accidents. So after that, the fatal accidents. Another last one is the accidents due to dangerous occurrence. So these are the four categories is there. So first one, that is a minor accident. It includes all those accidents that are less harmful in a nature to the worker. So in the during the minor accident, if the minor accidents will occur, to preventing the employees from the working for the period less than 48 hours from the time of accidents. So these accidents are not reported to the higher level management. These accidents are easily controllable. So next thing, reportable accidents. Second one is the reportable accidents. So it includes the accidents of, so little complicated than minor accidents, right? Here the injuries caused due to the worker prevent him from a working place for a period of 48 hours or more. So if the reportable accidents are occur, the supervisor is responsible for the particular supervisor is responsible to report the higher level management, so and arrange the another worker for the time, because the production will not occur. So after that, the accidents due to the dangerous occurrence. So for example, the bursting of in a for example, in a thermal power plant, the bursting the vessel of a boiler, right, under pressure of a greater than the atmospheric pressure. It is a more than 100 bar, right? So after that, the failure of a crank or other appliances of a motor, right? So these are the examples of a dangerous accident inside the industry. So after that, the furnace blast in the manufacturing industries, that is the core industries. So after that, the explosion of container in the chemical industry. So these are the dangerous hazards occur in that particular industry. So once again, so this let me summarize the uh, this topic. So I hope you understand. So all of you get a brief knowledge about the industry. What are all the safety aspects inside the industry? So and what are the different types of accidents? Hope you all understand. Happy learning.